welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today's Thirsty Thursday, and I'm going to show you to make my own version of iced matcha latte with boba. Ever since I tried this iced matcha latte, I never turned back. It's so creamy and refreshing, and it tastes like no other drink. I crave the iced version in the summer, and usually end up picking a glass at Starbucks, but it's so expensive, so no thank you. The homemade version tastes just as good as the local coffee shop out there. Today we're making another boba recipe because you guys seem to really like the milk tea one. So today we're making an iced matcha latte with boba, of course. And you know, I love boba here. So let's get started. Follow me. So the first thing for iced matcha latte with boba is those thick straws. You can use plastic or metal. It's up to you. So for the jar, you can go grab your favorite mug or tumbler. It's up to your preference as well. So let's go over the ingredients. You'll need condensed milk, tapioca pearls, honey, and of course, matcha powder. Now we're going to prepare the tapioca balls. And bring 4 cups of water to boil. Pour 1 cup of black tapioca pearls. And stir to avoid them from sticking together. Cook over medium heat. Drain the tapioca pearls. And wash it over tap in cold water. Put hot water in a bowl. And dissolve 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in the water. And give it a good stir. Put tapioca pearls into the sugar mixture to avoid them sticking together. Now we're going to add our honey on our boba. and give it a good stir. So here we boil the hot water. We need about a cup of hot water. I need about a cup of hot water or a little less. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the matcha powder. And I'm going to use a fork to mix it all together. Since this is nice and hot, I'm going to add the condensed milk to sweeten it up. So now it's time to put the boba right in that cup. So now we're going to put the ice right on top of the matcha mixture. So now we're going to put the fresh milk. And give it a good stir. I'm gonna mix it really well. So now we're just gonna pour that into our favorite jar. Look at that, it's so beautiful! Let's try our finished product. First of all, this boba is really legit. This boba is awesome and it's super easy to make. Green tea latte, matcha, didn't have it in Starbucks? Yes, because it's very similar to them. It's delicious, it's not too sweet, and it's a perfect complement to boba. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure the big thumbs up and comment down below other things you want to see and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow but on the next day. Peace out.